Morning, y'all. Just left the Howard Johnson. Getting ready to leave Daleville. Headed for Glascow. Gonna be a couple of days. Weather forecast looking like some scattered storms and stuff during that time, so we're trying to get an early start this morning, early jump on things. So come back to you in a little bit. Over the way there. Walking along the Blue Ridge Parkway. AT kind of follows it up through here for a little bit. So it's not been a bad day's worth of walking. We still got a little ways to go. Come back in a bit. What's up, y'all? Here at Jennings Creek, and we're still hiking. We're gonna be heading on to the next shelter, Bryant Ridge Shelter. We left Daleville early this morning, and we've just trucked all the way through. It's 7:47. We still got about 4 miles. It's gonna end up being about a 32-mile day, which is a big day. It's the biggest day for me and Jeff. So we're feeling pretty good. Feet are sore, as you would expect. Other than that, no complaints. And yeah, I probably won't come back to you guys anymore tonight. I'm sure everybody at the shelter is going to be hopefully be asleep and stuff when we get there. So gonna keep it quiet, and yep, see you in the morning. Good morning, y'all. We're packing up, getting ready to hit the trail. It's like 1 o'clock or something. We made it to the shelter last night and it was full, so we backtracked about 0.2 and stayed here at this nice campsite. And you know, right by a little stream and stuff, so it worked out good. But it did rain. It started raining this morning about daylight, and it's kind of rained off and on all morning. So we were just a little lazy and stayed in, waited that out. Hopefully it doesn't rain anymore. It's not rained for a while now, but our plan is to go up to a shelter that is 10 miles away. We're gonna have to do some pretty big climbs this morning. I think it's Apple Orchard Mountain or something like that. It's what we're climbing up to, so that's gonna be a lot of fun. But last night was the first night in my duplex tent. It did awesome. I really loved it. You can see the big dry spot it left there on the ground. Didn't have any problems with it, and it was nice. Probably the best sleep I've gotten out here on the trail in a while. So that was good. Yeah, that's about it. I'll get back to you when we get back on the trail. See ya. Made it to the top, Apple Orchard Mountain. This is the conditions that we've had throughout today. Really hasn't ever rained on us. Kind of raining on us now, but just a light drizzle. It's been tough. All right, out. What's up, y'all? Made it to Thunder Hill Shelter for the night. Crammed in like sardines, but that's okay. At least it's dry. So we did 10 miles today. Not our biggest day, but a pretty good day. Climbed up Apple Orchard Hill, mountain, whatever. I think it was kind of a beast. So we got up that, and now we're here, and it's raining, and it's probably going to be raining tomorrow. Our plan is to do 15 miles into Glasgow and stay at Stanimals Hostel and dry out a little bit tomorrow. So, yeah, that's what we're going to do, and we'll see you in the morning. What's up, y'all? Here at Thunder Hill Shelter. This is where we stayed last night, and it rained nonstop, and it's still raining. We're going to try to make it to Glasgow today, try to get in there, dry out, but yeah, it's going to be some rough walk. It's really coming down. So won't be really able to get on here and do any updates today with it raining, but I'll update when we get to wherever we're going. So, all right, see you in a bit. What's up, y'all? We are crossing the James River footbridge, longest footbridge on the AT. Very neat. It's just right outside of Glasgow. We tried to get into Stanimals Hostel and they were booked up, so gonna shuttle into probably Buena Vista and stay for the night, maybe even take a zero tomorrow. It's just really rainy, gonna do the same thing tomorrow, and so yeah, it's probably our plan for now, but I'll come back in a little bit, let you guys know what's up. All right, see ya. What do you think, ADD? Would you wanna be out there kayaking with them?
If you're in the water, why do you need a poncho? Like that one up there.
That's a great point. Oh, man. What's up, y'all? Coming to you from the Super 8 in Lexington, Virginia. Like I said, we didn't end up getting a room or a bunk at Stanimals in Glasgow, so we ended up just shuttling into Lexington. Turned out to be a pretty good decision, I believe. There's a Walmart down here. We made a little resupply and a lot of food options. So I ate at the Waffle House earlier, and that was great, as always. Tomorrow, we're probably going to end up pulling a zero here, or maybe try to go back to Glasgow. Doesn't really matter. But looks like it's going to be some rain, and we're finally getting our stuff dried out from past day or two, so it's not going to be a bad move, I don't think. Anyway, that's it. I'll come back tomorrow and let you guys know what our plans are. All right, see you.